do not feel motivated anymore. I feel like giving up. I feel like this is not for me. And yeah, I feel like this is becoming the end of Nessa world. But stay tuned, let me tell you why. Nessa's world. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Nessa's World. And that introduction may just be the last time you hear that, and I'll tell you why at the end of the video, so please stay tuned. I must commend all those people who participate in my Saturday live. It has been awesome, and the interaction, the discussion, just the love and everything that you guys show and your continuous support. I just want to thank you guys, and I am looking forward to Saturday. Last Saturday was awesome, the Saturday before that was awesome, and the Friday giveaway, the birthday giveaway, it was very awesome. I don't know, but it was so great. It was so great. I gave away something to someone and then someone gave it away to someone else. The love is just so evident here on this page, and big up on yourself. Big up on a nice clean self. Yeah, so I just want to update you on what has been going on in my life and some changes that I'm about to make, and I also want your help in some stuff. Now, I know that for the past maybe 2 to 3 weeks, I'm not sure, I have not done a video like this. I've been doing just live after live after live, and it's not because I don't know what I want to do. It's not because I don't have any content. It's not because I feel demotivated or I'm not motivated. It's because of something, and I will tell you that soon. So in my Sunday live, I made a comment and I said that I wasn't going to be able to go to school this semester because the agency is holding on to my money and not going to give me the money until October, and we all know that we need to be registered in September, and because of that I couldn't get to register to school, and I felt hopeless because I am this close to graduating. I just have 4 courses for this close, and they're telling me that they're not going to give my money, which is going to put me behind time. And I was so looking forward to graduate in the next batch, right? And I felt so sad. I did everything. I emailed them and I said, could you just give me a letter, because the school said if I can get a letter stating that I'm going to get the money XYZ time, and they could, you know, register me and just wait until the money release. And these people, they ignored my email. They didn't give me a letter, and I was just so over it. I slightly got over it, but I was still down because I really wanted to finish school. And last week I was just talking to my friends, just talking on the regular, and we were just talking about school, and I was like, oh, it's too bad I'm not going to go to school this semester. And they were like, why? And I told them why, and 2 of them was like, we can lend you the money. And I was like, yeah? And they said, yeah, we can lend you the money. And guys, even though it's not all of the money, I am glad and I'm happy to say that I am registered, and I only have 1 course. The reason why I cannot do that course right now is because it is dependent on one that I am doing now. And my initial aim was that I was just going to do the 1 course, so that next semester I would just do the 3 course, because I'm already behind time, because I registered on Monday and that's about 3 weeks behind. And I was like, there's no way I'm going to catch up, and I know the school is just going to give us a lot of assignments and I'm just going to be so bombarded with work and all those stuff, and I just can't bother with the stress. And I was like, okay, I'm just going to do the 1 course. I told the head of my department, and she registered me. However, she said that I have to pay the registration in order to continue. Anyway, that was Monday, and I was just back and forth with emailing her, and I told her thanks, and I checked the portal and I realized that it was on my portal, but I wasn't really registered to sit in the class. So I was like, damn. Anyway, the Tuesday, my friend sent over the money and I just paid the money same time. I took a screenshot of the online payment and I emailed the school, and I emailed the head of department, and I told her that I paid X amount and I would like to do 2 courses and pay for the miscellaneous fees. And she was like, you can't do less than 3. And I was like, what sense does it make? I only have 4 courses left. So either way, I'm going to do one time and 3 the other time. And she was like, yeah, you have to do 3 now and 1 later. And I was like, darn, I didn't really plan for that because I didn't really get all the money that I need. I got about maybe 60% of the money. Yeah, about 60% of the money. And I wasn't prepared for that because now I have to pay back the money, plus I have to find money to pay the rest. Nevertheless, I registered and I've been catching up. I only have 1 course left to catch up, so I am back on track. So that's very good. So I'm happy to say that I am registered. So thank you guys for talking to me this Sunday and uplifting my spirit, and also giving me the topics for Saturday, because out of that talk I realized that you guys love the men versus woman thing, and I decided to continue that. So every Saturday we're going to have some new topic, and if you have any topic that you want to talk about, drop it in the comments down below. This Saturday we're going to talk about who lie the most before entering into a relationship, whether it is male or female, and we're going to have a grand time on my channel. So come on over if you have not been joining me on the live, and it is 9 o'clock, and the reason for that is because we're giving persons time to reach home from work, school, whatever they do in the day. We're giving you guys a lot of time so you can unwind with Nessa and communicate. And we also have call-in sessions, so you can call in and give your take, because I know the amount of words you can text in the box, it is very limited, and sometimes you just want to express yourself and don't want to vent, and you can call and vent. Yeah, but thank you guys for that. And let's go to the meat of the matter. I know you guys gonna hear dog, you're gonna hear phone, you're gonna hear post, you're gonna hear everything. I'm gonna live on a farm. I don't. Anyway, I got a new journal, and I love this journal. I've not written in it yet. Every day I have Psalms and Proverbs to read, and the reason I have not written in it yet, I want to structure it properly, and it is very neat. I got it on Amazon, so I can put the link in the description below, and it's very affordable. When it comes in the country, you pay like $500. So, and when you go into the bookstore, you pay like 2,000 something for this. So worth it if you buy it online, guys. It is very good. I love it, and it's in my favorite color. You can get it in all the colors you want, and I am not promoting it. However, I'm doing affiliate marketing, so I'm going to drop my link so I can get a commission when you buy. So go on and buy the book. Yes, buy it so Nessa can get some money to pay her school fee. Anyway, so the next thing is that I am planning to change my name. I am planning to change my YouTube name. The reason for this is because when you go into YouTube search and you type in Nessa's World, you're going to see the amount of Nessa's World pop up, and there can only be one Nessa. Yeah, there can only be one me, and I intend to take this channel to the next level. I intend to get 1 million subscribers. I intend to go far beyond 1 million, and I cannot have the same name as, I am the original, and there can only be one me, and I don't want to be in no entanglement with anybody when it comes on to other stuff. So I am planning to change my name. Not only I'm changing my name for YouTube. I'm also trying to get a brand name. I want to go into business. This has always been my dream. But just as you have Nike, and Nike have them brand, and you know, when you see the tick, you know, see a Nike without the name mark Nike. If you cannot read and you see this, you know, see a Nike. Just when you see my logo and you see the name, you're going to know, so okay, that's V-La-Nessa brand. And I wanted to go big, I wanted to go global. I just know that something is going to happen, and I can't just go there not planned, right? And I want that one name to be the main umbrella over everything that I'm doing. So over my channel, over my businesses, I'm going to have many lines of business, and I just want that one name. So I am presently going through names. It's been like 4 months I'm trying to come up with names, like literally. The other day, my friend and I, we came up with let's say Venice, right? And we put a little accent to it. I was like, yeah, it's our buzz. And we get excited, and I was the girl start dancing. Now I said, yes, we get the name, you know. And then one man come to me and say, you know, go and check it out on the internet. When we check it out, you know, you have Instagram name, you have Facebook name, you have YouTube. And I'm like, who does that? Every time we get a name, we get so excited, and then we say, alright, let's go and check it out, and then somebody have it. So the other day, you know, I was like, okay, my name is Vanessa Latoya Palmer. So I'm going to just combine my name, even though I don't want to stray from my name. I'm going to combine my name, and I'm going to get a name. And I put La, means Latoya, and then I put Nessa. So I put it together, and I was like, La-Nessa. I'm like, La-Nessa? La-Nessa, our buzz. La-Nessa, the life with La-Nessa, come and chill with La-Nessa. YouTube name, sound good. Business name, if you want to do like a perfume with a name, La-Nessa fragrance. I'm like, girl, that's buzzing, you know, buzzing. And then I went ahead and I started creating my logo. I started creating the border. Boy, if you don't, for YouTube and beer things, and I was just getting excited and all that, and about to do my intro, my outro. I am planning to take this channel to the next level. I'm planning to take business to the next level, and I was so excited, and I said, okay, you know what, let me go Google it. When we Google it, we never really find nothing. We find some stuff, but we never find nothing. Let me say, you know what, let me take it to YouTube, because YouTube was my main concern. When I go on YouTube, I never know that La-Nessa was a name. Like, who named Pitney La-Nessa? There is about 1,000,001 La-Nessa on YouTube. Like, who does that? So now I have to be going back to the drawing board. I even went to the method of elimination. I wrote down my names, and then I start eliminating the like terms or the non-like terms, and then I did it all. And I still don't have anything, and this is why I have not really been posting, because I don't want to post something and keep saying, oh, welcome to Nessa's world. I want to come out and say, yo, welcome to the new world, the new intro, new this. I don't want to refresh your mind with the whole Nessa's world. I want to start off fresh, more of to start off new, more enough to say, yeah, when you're ready, and upon the wagon with me. You understand? It's not like I feel demotivated. It's not like I have no zeal or anything. I just want to get the name out of the way. This name is the thing that is stopping me right now from branching off into businesses, branching off or putting out more content, because I just want to get it over and done with. I want to have my brand name for everything. It is just slowing me down, and it kind of depressing, because I just want to get it over and done with, and I know that everything happening in its due season, and I just have to trust God's timing. But it kind of stressing, if you understand, and I just want to get it out of the way. So after I get that out of the way, you guys will know about it, and I will come to you and say, you know, guys, what do you think about this, and take your input, because we're all a family and I want everybody to be involved. And that's pretty much why I have not been posting. It's not that I don't have content, because I do. I have a lot of content. And yeah, so I just want to come to your update, you know. We couldn't know what is going on with Nessa. We couldn't know what is going on with Nessa. And yeah, if you have any suggestion, just hit me up in the comments down below. I even went as far as putting my name with my mother's name, and I still can't find it. I was like La-Nessa, because my mother's name is Janice and my middle name is Latoya. I was like La-Nessa, and then it just, I don't know, it wasn't buzzing. But I am so close. I am so close, and I believe that very soon I'm gonna come to you with my new intro, new name, new everything. But if you don't have any suggestion, just hit me up in the comments down below and suggest something. Yeah, I've also went ahead and I created some t-shirts. Yeah, some t-shirts, if you don't want hat, if you don't want bag, and if you don't want cup. I've done Nessa's Day 1 fan shirts, and if you don't want a name on it, you just comment down below and tell me the name, tell me what to do. It's gonna cost some of you guys, or most of you guys, because we really don't have the money to fund everything and give it out to everybody. So it's gonna cost you, and I'm not going to get so much of a profit, because basically the person's gonna do everything, and when you order from that site, it's going to ship it out to you, and I practically make like probably $1 or $2 on the product. But I just wanted to go there to all of my fans that been there with me from now until I change my name, from day 1. And I want you to have it, so that when you know when that million come and we have bigger giveaways like Kiara and all those stuff, and then they say, yo, we have my shirt from day 1, yeah, and they can be included and all those stuff. So support the thing, you know, check it out. I'm going to show you. If you're interested, let me know. Hit me up in the comments down below, and I might just put it in the description. But I am totally not finished. I really want it to be customized. So if you don't want a name on it, if you don't want that special color, then just hit me up in the comments down below. Hit me up on my Instagram, and you know, message me and all those stuff. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So your girl back in school now, and your girl pretty much looking for a name. Your girl started a Day 1 shirt line, and I'm coming out with some business. I just can't launch them yet because I have not found a name. And stay tuned for Saturday. I'm going to post the topic after you watch this. Yeah, I'm gonna post it after this. So thank you, and stay tuned. Bye.